How to add shape in CapCut Mobile. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all open up CapCut on a device. Now wait for the app to open. Now simply go to your project or simply tap on your project, then select the video, then tap on add at the bottom right corner. Now at the bottom menu simply scroll to the right and tap on stickers, then tap on the search bar. Now type the shape name, then tap on search. Now choose any of the stickers. Now adjust the size and position, and that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.